What's up guys? Today we're briefly discussing a flight from Paine to Orcas. Remember that a good flight starts with a good pre-flight, including our 91.103 Northwest Craft items. That stands for NOTAMs, weather, known ATC delays, runways, alternates, fuel, and takeoff and landing distance calculations. After our run-up, and once we're clear for departure, we say lights, camera, action, needles alive, and rotate once we reach VR. Let the plane do all the work. When she's ready, she'll fly herself right off the runway. We maintain runway heading until we reach at least 700 feet AGL, and once there we can turn to crosswind or depart at a 45-degree angle from the upwind leg. En route, we're spending 90% of our time with our eyes up and out looking for traffic. It's always a good idea to plan a route that will take you directly over your alternates, and be mindful of entering some airspace without permission. I like getting flight following because it's an extra set of eyes watching for traffic. For VFR flights, we'll typically need 3 152. That's 3 miles visibility, and we must remain 1,000 feet above, 500 feet below, or 2,000 feet horizontally away from clouds. And a good pilot will add extra personal safety margins on top of the legal mins. It's still incredible to me that we can share this amazing gift with our friends and family. We pick up the weather about 15 miles out, announce our intentions 10 miles out, and enter on the 45 to the downwind. Remember, headwinds are your friend on takeoffs and landings, so pick the best runway for the current wind conditions. Now, forget about landing. Put your eyes on the horizon and transition to slow flight over the runway. Once you master slow flight over the runway, you'll be able to land smoothly every time. If you're interested in becoming a pilot, consider checking out my book, Skyhawk Pilot, down in the description. And when you're ready, come learn to fly with me at Emerald Squadron Aviation. Thanks for watching.